Hello and welcome. In this new module, we'll be looking at data analysis and the various means by which we can begin to understand how to analyze data. We are going to be taking it from the simplest of data analysis and we work from there up. So in this lesson, we'll look at how to arrange data without having to do it manually. If you look at this part of Excel, the editing group, remember this is where we have the erase button, and also this is where we have the sort and filter functions of Excel. Very interesting area of Excel. So if you look at this data I have before me, you have names and then statistics. All right. Now what you can do to make this more visually appealing and understandable is to rearrange these either in ascending order or in descending order, whichever one that we deemed fit. So we come here and then, sorry, let me delete this. Okay, so we highlight and then we come to the sort function. We click on it and then we ask to sort from A to Z, meaning lowest number to highest number. Let's do that. Beautiful. So the data has been rearranged starting with the lowest number to the highest number. We can also rearrange this and make it start from the highest number to the lowest number by clicking on sort Z to A, highest to lowest. So I click on it and then I come back. The highest total statistic is 395, so is this ranking number 1 and then all the way down. So you can rearrange your data based on the highest to the lowest or lowest to the highest. I'll see you in the next lesson.